With regards to dental treatment, many will require of dental fillings in some moment during their life. Fillings with dental material are a typical treatment for tooth decay. They are vital to maintaining dental health. The procedure of getting dental fillings is expensive, and especially in places such as Europe where the cost of healthcare can be very high. Since the past few years, Turkey has emerged as one of the most sought-after destinations in the field of dental and medical tourism. The country offers high-quality dental care with a lower costs compared with European countries. It has led many to look at Turkey as a less expensive choice for fillings in the dental. This video, we'll look at the price of dental fillings in Turkey in comparison to Europe and look at the benefits of having the dental treatment in Turkey at a reasonable cost. Cost of dental fillings in Europe. In Europe, the price of dental fillings varies based on the place of origin and the nature of the filling. The average cost of filling a tooth within Europe is ranging between €60 up to €200 for each filling. In some countries, such as Germany as well as the UK and France, dentistry can be expensive, and it is difficult for many to afford the necessary procedures like dental fillings. Additionally, due to the expense of dental treatments, a lot of European countries also have long wait periods for appointments at the dentist, and this can cause frustration to patients who need immediate care. Advantages of getting dental fillings in Turkey. Turkey has grown to be a well-known location for dental tourism thanks to the affordable cost of healthcare with high-end treatments and highly trained dental professionals. In Turkey, there is a significant savings on dental fillings is considerably lower when compared with European nations, with rates between €30 up to €80 for fillings. One of the main benefits to getting dental fillings Turkey is the price savings. There are many people who travel to Turkey exclusively for dental procedures since they could make savings of thousands of dollars on procedures such as dental fillings. Dental treatments in Turkey permits patients to receive the treatments they need without breaking the bank. Another reason to get dental fillings in Turkey is the standard of the treatment. Turkish dentists are well known for their knowledge and skills, and a lot of them were educated and trained in the top schools across the globe. Patients can count on receiving premium treatments using the latest techniques and technology in the most modern of dental practices. In addition, Turkey is known for the warmth and hospitality of its people that makes it an ideal and accessible destination for dental patients. Numerous dental practices within Turkey offer treatments in a variety of languages, making it simple for patients to speak with their dentists and get personal attention. Choosing the right dental clinic in Turkey. In the event that you're considering having dental fillings in Turkey, it is essential to pick a trusted and trustworthy dental clinic. It is suggested to do an extensive study and look up testimonials from patients to ensure you're choosing a facility that is able to meet your expectations. It's important to find out the qualifications and experiences of dental specialists who work at the dental clinic, in addition to the different types of treatment options as well as the latest technology that is available. In addition, verify that the facility follows rigorous hygiene protocols and safety guidelines in order to provide a safe and enjoyable procedure. All in all, dental fillings in Turkey could be an affordable and convenient choice for patients who want to lower their costs for dental treatments. Thanks to its reasonable rates, quality treatments as well as experienced dentists, Turkey provides a wonderful alternative for people who need dental fillings at a price that is affordable. In the case of dental fillings that are affordable, Turkey is a top destination for quality dental services at a fraction the price compared with Europe. When choosing to have dental fillings from Turkey, patients can reduce costs, get top quality procedures, and be in an ambience that is comfortable and warm. Therefore, if you're looking for dental fillings and wish to reduce your expenses, you should consider traveling to Turkey for all your dental health demands.